Jerry's honky-tonk bar. Yeehaw! Oh, I tell you, since I was knee-high to a grasshopper, I love to yap around. Gosh darn it, I got a hankering for a hoedown. Come on and join in. Yeehaw! Well, howdy! The letter name is K and the sound is K. The letter name is K and the sound is K. K is for kangaroo, doing karate with the kazoo. K is for key, in the kitchen under a kitten. K is for kite, held by a kid in Kansas. The letter name is K and the sound is K. The letter name is K and the sound is K. K is for king, laying on his keyless keyboard. K is for koala, holding a kite in Kentucky. K is for kettle, next to the key and the kitten in the kitchen. The letter name is K and the sound is K. The letter name is K and the sound is K.